$1 trillion. That's how much money the biggest companies in the world are pouring into artificial intelligence. Right now in 2026, Microsoft, Google, Meta, OpenAI, Anthropic, they are in the most expensive technology war in human history, and the winner of this war will control the future of business. But here's what nobody is talking about. The outcome of this war directly affects your business, whether you're paying attention or not. Stay with me because by the end of this video you'll know exactly who's winning, who's losing, and most importantly, how to position your business to profit from all of it. Let me give you some numbers that will put this in perspective. In 2023, the entire global AI industry was worth about $150 billion. In 2026, just 3 years later, we're looking at a single company, Meta, spending $115 to $135 billion on AI infrastructure alone in 1 year. That's not the entire industry. That's one company's budget for a single year. Microsoft just committed $10 billion to AI in Japan alone. Anthropic, a company that was losing money just 12 months ago, is now generating $30 billion in annualized revenue and is valued at $380 billion. OpenAI is valued at $852 billion. We are witnessing the largest concentration of capital into a single technology in the history of human civilization. And the question every business owner needs to be asking right now is, what does this mean for me? How does a $1 trillion AI war affect a small business owner, an entrepreneur, a consultant, a freelancer? That's exactly what I'm going to break down for you today. Let's get into it. First, let's understand exactly who is fighting in this war and what each player brings to the table. Contestant number 1, Microsoft. Microsoft made the earliest and arguably the smartest bet in AI, a $13 billion investment in OpenAI, back when nobody was paying attention. That bet has paid off enormously. Today, Microsoft has integrated AI into every product in its ecosystem: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, Outlook, through their Copilot system. For businesses using Microsoft 365, and that's hundreds of millions of users, AI is now built directly into the tools they use every single day. Microsoft's strategy is not to win the AI race with their own model. Their strategy is to be the platform that delivers AI to the world, and it's working. Contestant number 2, Google. Google's position in this war is uniquely powerful and uniquely threatened. Powerful because Google controls the world's search engine, the world's largest video platform, the world's most used email service, and the world's most popular mobile operating system. That's an infrastructure advantage that no other company can match. Threatened because AI is fundamentally changing how people search for information. And if people stop using Google search, Google loses its primary revenue source. This is why Google has invested so aggressively in Gemini. It's not just a product, it's an existential defense. Contestant number 3, Meta. Meta just launched Muse Spark, their most powerful AI model yet, after spending the last 9 months rebuilding their entire AI infrastructure from scratch. Their capital expenditure on AI in 2026? $115 to $135 billion. That number is almost incomprehensible. Meta's strategy is to embed AI into the platforms where 3 billion people already spend their time: Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, and their Ray-Ban AI glasses. They want AI to be invisible, just part of how you communicate, how you shop, how you connect. Now let's talk about the 2 companies that are actually building the most powerful AI models, and whose race is the most dramatic. OpenAI, the company that started it all, valued at $852 billion, 900 million weekly active users, the creator of ChatGPT, the fastest growing consumer application in the history of technology. But here's what's happening at OpenAI right now that you need to understand. They are pivoting. OpenAI just announced they are shifting their entire focus to business users, away from consumer products. They shut down Sora, their viral video generation tool, because it was costing $15 million per day to operate. They are betting everything on becoming the AI partner of choice for enterprises. The company's paying $1 million or more per year for AI services. And then there's Anthropic. This is the most remarkable business story of 2026. 12 months ago, Anthropic was a research lab burning through cash. Today, they have crossed $30 billion in annualized revenue, potentially surpassing OpenAI, and they are valued at $380 billion. How did this happen so fast? 3 reasons. First, Claude became the preferred AI for professional and enterprise work. The writing quality, the reasoning ability, the handling of complex documents. Claude has genuinely outperformed ChatGPT for serious business applications. Second, Claude Code. Anthropic built a coding tool that has become indispensable for software developers worldwide, creating an entirely new revenue stream almost overnight. Third, enterprise focus from day one. While OpenAI was chasing consumer viral moments, Anthropic was quietly signing $1 million per year contracts with Fortune 500 companies. The result? They now serve more than 1,000 business customers, each spending over $1 million annually. That's $1 billion in revenue from just their top customers alone. So who is actually winning this $1 trillion AI war? The honest answer is, it depends on what metric you're using. If you measure by consumer users, ChatGPT wins with 900 million weekly users. If you measure by revenue growth rate, Anthropic wins $30 billion annualized and accelerating. If you measure by infrastructure, Microsoft wins. Their Azure cloud platform powers a significant portion of the world's AI workloads. If you measure by data advantage, Google wins. No company on earth has more data about what humans search for, watch, read, and buy. If you measure by platform reach, Meta wins. 3 billion people use their products daily. But here's the insight that actually matters. For your business, there is no single winner. And that's actually great news for you. Because in a world where multiple powerful AI companies are competing, prices stay low, capabilities keep improving, and business owners have choices. The worst outcome for you would be one company controlling all AI. What we have instead is a race. And every month that race continues, the tools available to your business get more powerful and more affordable. Now let's get to what actually matters. What does this $1 trillion war mean for your business specifically? Impact number 1. AI tools are getting dramatically cheaper. When companies are spending hundreds of billions of dollars competing for your business, they can't charge you whatever they want. The cost of AI capabilities that would have required a $50,000 per month enterprise contract 2 years ago is now available for $20 to $100 per month. And this trend is accelerating. By the end of 2026, capabilities that currently cost $100 per month will likely cost $10 per month or less. Impact number 2. AI is being embedded everywhere. You don't need to be a tech expert to access powerful AI anymore. It's inside Microsoft Word. It's inside Gmail. It's inside Instagram. It's inside your accounting software. It's inside your CRM. The AI war means every software company is racing to add AI features, because if they don't, their customers will switch to a competitor that has. This is extraordinary for small businesses. You're getting AI capabilities that used to require enterprise budgets for free or near free, because these $1 trillion companies are competing to serve you. Impact number 3. The skills gap is your opportunity. Right now, most small business owners are not effectively using the AI tools available to them. They know AI exists. They might use ChatGPT occasionally, but they haven't built systems. They haven't automated processes. They haven't integrated AI into their core operations. That gap between what AI can do and what most businesses are actually doing is where the opportunity lives. Every week that passes, the businesses that are using AI effectively pull further ahead of the ones that aren't. And every week that passes, the gap becomes harder to close. So given everything happening in the AI war right now, what are the specific moves you should make in your business? Move number 1. Stop being loyal to one AI tool. The biggest mistake I see business owners making right now is treating AI like they treat their phone carrier, picking one and sticking with it forever. The AI landscape is changing so fast in 2026 that the best tool for any given task changes every few months. Use Gemini when you need Real-time information and Google integration. Use Claude when you need. High-quality writing and document analysis. Use Perplexity when you need. Deep research with cited sources. Use ChatGPT when you need. Quick brainstorming and ideation. Different tools for different jobs. Multi-tool fluency is the competitive advantage of 2026. Move number 2. Automate one process this week. Not next month. This week. Pick the single most repetitive task in your business, the thing that takes the most time and requires the least creativity. Build one automation using Make.com that handles that task automatically. The companies investing trillions in AI are making it easier and cheaper to build these automations every month. Take advantage of that. Move number 3. Stay informed, actively. The AI landscape is moving so fast. That information from 6 months ago is already outdated. The business owners who are winning with AI right now are not necessarily the most technical. They're the most informed. They know what tools are available. They know what's changed. They know what their competitors are using. And they act on that information quickly. That's exactly why channels like this one exist, to give you that intelligence. Every single week, in plain language, with practical applications, you can implement immediately. Let me leave you with a look ahead. What does the next 12 months of this AI war look like? And how should you be positioning your business for it? Prediction number 1. AI agents become mainstream for business. Right now, AI agents, systems that don't just answer questions, but actually execute tasks autonomously, are still relatively cutting edge. In 12 months, they will be standard. Every major platform is building agent capabilities into their products. The businesses that learn how to work with AI agents now will have a 12-month head start on everyone else. Prediction number 2. The cost of AI drops dramatically as competition intensifies between Microsoft, Google, Meta, OpenAI, and Anthropic. The cost of AI capabilities will continue to fall. Things that cost $100 per month today will cost $10 per month by end of 2026. This means the barrier to entry for AI-powered business operations essentially disappears. Prediction number 3. The skills gap becomes the wealth gap. In 12 months, the difference between businesses that use AI effectively and those that don't will be measurable in dollars. We're already seeing it. Businesses using AI are reporting 40% to 60% higher profit margins. They're producing more output with fewer people. They're closing deals faster. They're serving customers better. In 12 months, this gap will be impossible to ignore. The trillion-dollar AI war is being fought between giant corporations. But the benefits of that war, cheaper tools, better capabilities, more automation, flow directly to you. The only question is whether you're ready to capture them. Let's bring everything together. We are living through a $1 trillion AI war, the largest technology investment in human history. Microsoft is winning the platform battle. Google is defending its empire with Gemini. Meta is spending $130 billion to embed AI into 3 billion lives. OpenAI is pivoting to enterprise to survive. And Anthropic has gone from startup to $30 billion revenue machine. In 12 months, nobody wins this war completely. And that's great news for your business, because the competition means better tools, lower prices, and more opportunities for entrepreneurs and business owners who know how to use them. The 3 moves you need to make. Use multiple AI tools, not just one. Automate one process this week. Stay informed every single week. That last one is why I'm here. Every week I break down what's happening in AI in plain language with practical applications for your business. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it right now. Hit the bell so you don't miss a single video and drop a comment below. Which company do you think is going to win the AI war? Microsoft? Google? Anthropic? I read every single comment, and I'll be responding to as many as I can. I'll see you in the next one.